All right, let's do, how about a nice review of LiveGood? All right, I'll take you in the back office a little bit, let you look around, check out the products, the opportunity to earn money, and get in shape at the same time. Yeah, okay. First of all, let me shrink myself here. I got to snap my fingers and watch what happens. Watch this. All of a sudden, I'm like this little dude right here on the top of your screen, okay? Now, one way that I get people involved with LiveGood, either as just someone that wants to buy the products or be an affiliate like myself, and hopefully yourself as well, is I invite people to a link. And you can see it on my screen right now, joincory.com, okay? I bought that link from GoDaddy. I think I paid about $11 for it. And then I forward it to one of the capture pages. And I'll show you, we have a whole bunch of them with LiveGood. So when you join, you got all these cool things all ready for you to use. Okay, you can do video like this, or maybe send people messages, or just invite people to your own link and let the video and the process do all the heavy lifting for you, okay? So let me show you what I mean. joincory.com. Now, why don't I go ahead and just put that on my screen? That's probably the easiest way to do, okay? There we go. joincory.com. I hit enter. All right, now what pops up? This page. You're going to have the same page, except it'll go to you. And you can see right in the middle, I put my name. I like people to go to corydraper.com or joincory.com. And when people go to my LiveGood capture page, I want people to see right there. See that? I want them to know it's me. I guess you could call it branding yourself. But this is what I've learned over the last couple years with LiveGood, is that people join people. Obviously, there's other LiveGood videos out there, or products or services, or just people, affiliates promoting LiveGood. Hey, join my team, join my group, join my business. Okay? But I think there's a big advantage if you join a team or a group where you have a lot of support, because you're going to have questions. You might have questions about the products, and LiveGood has awesome customer support with Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Obviously, if you have any problems with the website, or let's say credit cards or cryptocurrency, you can go to support@livegood.com. But I think that you need tools and some things to help you promote LiveGood so that people will join you, your group. Now, maybe you don't have your own team, but if you belong to a group of people that help you out, that's just awesome. In my opinion, it's just required. You got to do it. You got to belong where there's other people that can be frustrated with you, or maybe you have questions. It could be 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. Isn't it nice to know that if you have questions about marketing or anything in general regarding LiveGood, it's nice that you can not be embarrassed and reach out and ask people for help. Okay? So anyway, this page, joincory.com, you're going to have the same page if you'd like. It's built into the cost. Okay? I recommend you use it because people will watch this YouTube video right here. And if you want more information, or if you just want to join, you'll fill this information, name, email, reserve my position, and guess what? You're going to get a LiveGood email, or open the email and you can join. That's all I do. I let the video right below do all the heavy lifting. Okay, I love to do video like you're watching now, where I just put on my webcam and talk to you guys for like 5 to 10 minutes. And then invite you to this page you're looking at. But see right here where it says livegoodtour.com? That is my username. So let's say your name is Bob Smith, and that's your username. Okay? That's how simple I think this can be. And then let me just show you my business card one more time. There you go. Okay, I bought that business card at vistaprint.com. About $22 for a big old box that'll last me years. I use this red template that's already designed by Vistaprint. They have, I think, 10,000 designs. You can spend all day designing business cards. I think less is more. I paid like 25 cents to round the corners, just so it looks a little more modern, I guess, in 2025. But joincory.com, I bought that for $11 at GoDaddy. And then there's my email address I've had for dang near 35, 40 years, Cory@corydraper.com. So you can see my business card on the front is simple. I don't have a whole bunch of things distracting from the fact that I want you to go to joincory.com. And you can see I even capitalized the J and the C so that the Join Cory is a little easy to read. Wouldn't you say? Like, here, I'll just show you. I have some of my cards just here in my hand. But wouldn't you agree that if you just look at the card from far away, you can probably tell what my goal is, for you to go to joincory.com. And on a street level, I never talk about LiveGood like this. I just give a card. Hey, check it out. Watch the video. If you like what you see, products, service, the opportunity to be an affiliate and earn money and get in good shape, then get a hold of me. And I love it through the Cory at corydraper.com. Because if you have a question, I might have already made a video, or the company might already have a video about what your question is, like the comp plan. How do you get paid? The last thing you want to do is talk about the compensation plan. I call it the constipation plan. Okay? Now this is the back office. And when you go to the very bottom of the website or the bottom left of your screen, see it says pay plan? What I do is I just invite people to this link, and then see at the very bottom, there's a YouTube video that 100% explains the compensation plan. You just watch this YouTube video, and if you don't understand it, watch it 2 or 3 times. You'll get it. And then send this link to whoever asks about the constipation plan. Okay? And then you can see when you log in, there's just so many products and services and my team who have joined. You know, I'm doing pretty good in LiveGood. Out of 2 million people, I think I'm number 29 in the world. Let's see. There I am, right? This is live. Okay, there I am, LiveGood Cory Draper. Look, I have over 428 people. They've signed up with me. Okay, I've learned a lot over the last couple of years. Keep it simple. Have a little business card, hand it out if you're on the street. But just invite people to your link, and then in my case, hopefully you'll just watch the video, make a decision, and do your research. You can go all over YouTube, go over Google, I don't know, website, search, put in web scams. Is LiveGood, I don't know, a shiny ball thing that's only going to last a year or so. All I can tell you is I've been in LiveGood now a couple of years. I've made a lot of money. I've bought the products and I like them. I'm buying the products with or without the affiliate side. Okay? I feel very, I guess, call it blessed or lucky or whatever, but I joined and somehow I got pretty darn good at getting people to join me. Okay? And then I send you an email and I just suggest to do what I do. Keep things simple and fun and very cheap. I don't spend a lot of money on doing this video even. I just bought a webcam and I chit chat with you guys. And I can also, let's see, where's my phone? I can also just, do a selfie phone video, or if you don't want to do any type of video whatsoever, don't worry. We have plenty of video for you guys to use. Let the video already made do all that yuck. Ew, I don't want to be on video. I don't like my voice. I look fat. I look tired. I look bald. You're going to go through a lot of crazy feelings when it comes to video. But don't worry about it. We have plenty of video that you can use, that people will make a decision. Do I want to buy the products or just come aboard as an affiliate and earn some money too? Okay? But I appreciate your time. And that's what it all comes down to at the end of the day. Do you have time to have some fun? And do you have maybe some extra money to have some fun? Do you have health? All right? Do you think maybe working out a little bit and buying LiveGood products will give you more energy? So if you do make money or have extra money, and more importantly, do you have time to go out and mess off a little bit? Okay? So anyway, when you join, fill out your membership. You can shop like crazy. Check out all our products. Remember, we're a wholesale company. Okay? When you're an affiliate, you buy everything for wholesale. You can turn around and resell it anywhere you want. Go to Amazon, go to your gym, go online. Maybe in the back seat of your car, you have a whole bunch of cool products to sell. But look at this, just a ton of products. We even have shirts and hats and packages. And we're a worldwide business, guys. This just isn't a United States thing. We're in just a couple hundred countries. Look, pick up a hat or a shirt. All right, we have tank tops and some other cool things, hoodies. Right now it's summertime. It's, let's see, July 7th or 15th. Yeah, we're right in the middle of July here in America. And where I live in Utah today, it's 95 degrees. Okay? But there's so many products. Take your time, do your research. And if you want to know anything about our products, the ingredients, the pricing, hit any of these buttons here. All right? And then remember, support@livegood.com will help you out as well. So let me show you just one last time what I do. There it is, guys. Can you see it? joincory.com. Keep things simple. Keep things affordable. And then, if you want to spend some money on some things, like maybe wear a hat or a shirt in a video, cool. And if you want to do some other marketing things, then why not? All you got to do at the end of the day is invite people to your own link. And right now I want to do that for you folks, okay? Joincory.com. Like I said, I appreciate your time. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I have thousands and thousands and thousands. I think I have almost 4,000 videos just related to LiveGood. I'm a big fan. And I've only been doing this a couple years. And somehow I've got pretty darn good at this business, okay? So Cory at CoryDraper.com. Don't be shy. Get a hold of me. If I can help you out, I definitely will, if you're in my group or not. Okay? All right, peace and love, guys. Thanks for your time. Hopefully you'll watch my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care.